10. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 30, late flat 1 right over crest, opens 90, crest and flat 1 right, and crest 50, dip 50, right on crest 30, late 1 left over crest, okay, 80, flat crest 50, flat crest and dip, and watch left over jump time, slow 3 minus, double tightens, and 3 plus tightens, and crest and flat 2 left, 40 right over crest, times a flat 2 over crest, opens for 80, tightens through the dip, and watch crest sharp, 3 left minus, nips, and long flat right and small crest, 100 slowing slow, 2 right minus tightens, and the watch left tightens the 4 plus, clear tightens, and flat crest jump into flat 2 right, 60, late tight 2 left sharp, and right over crest tightens the 2 minus for 50, tightens at the gate, and flat 1 left short, maybe don't, 100, slight right 100, left, tightens the tight 2 minus, and long, slight right and slowing, left over crest 50, right into chicane, tight. And early 3 left tightens minus for 80, tightens tight 4 minus sharp, slippy, 40, flat 1 right, 30 left over crest and 3 up plus short, and watch 4 left short, tightens don't, and right tightens the tight 3, and danger early slow 4 left short, double tightens, 70, late 4 right for 40, tightens minus shiny, 30, 4 left plus, opens half long, tightens to late 5 plus half long, opens and left, and watch 4 right plus, tightens don't over crest, 30 right over crest, 30 3 left minus short, and 1 right late 4 left minus double tightens over crest, and right and left and 2 right into 3 left plus, and care 5 right plus short, and 5 left short nips, 40 flat 2 right and flat left over crest, 60 watch left over big crest, tightens the 4 minus sharp, and 3 up minus tightens over crest, 40 late flat 2 right slowing, 60 care right over crest, tightens the 5 minus big don't, and 5 left minus don't, 30 right over crest tightens the flat 2 slowing, 80 watch left over crest tightens the 3 plus don't, the care right tightens the 5 short, and early 4 left minus opens tightens don't, 25 right plus nips into late 3 left minus tightens over crest, 40 left for 30 times hairpin plus half long, and right over crest tightens the late 4 minus half long, opens through the dip and crest 30 flat 3 left nips over crest, and the right in the danger big crest jump 10 6 right short don't, 40 late 5 left minus half long double tightens, and flat crest jump 40 late 4 right over crest, 40 care right on crest big crest jump and 3 left minus tightens, and jump 50 turn late 6 right plus slippy neat, 80 late tight 3 left plus and crest and 3 minus short tightens neat, 50 flat crest, 40 slight left 120 slowing 1 left for 80 tightens the tight 3 minus sharp, and care slow 3 right minus tightens over crest, and the flat 1 left and flat 1 right nips over crest, okay, 30 slight left over flat crest, then slowing 70 right over crest tightens the tight 4 plus short, small gravel, and 4 left tightens over crest jump, 30 tight left and 2 right minus sharp, 30 flat 1 left to the dip, 30 flat 1 right over crest to 130, late flat 1 left over crest and slight right 90, slowing before slight right over big crest, the pole 70 crest and turn late 5 left sharp, neat watch, and right left and flat 3 up minus nips maybe over crest, 60 slowing right over crest, 50 late hairpin left, and slight right over flat crest, 40 crest and right for 30 times the 5 plus short, opens care tightens late 5 after crest, 90 late flat 1 left over crest, 30 slight right 60 flat 1 left in slowing, 90 right into chicane, and care left and right over crest tightens the sudden slat 6 tightens, 40 late 3 left over crest, opens tightens minus over crest to the dip clip and slide right over flat crest, okay, 60 flat 1 left short, 120 1 right minus tightens over crest, slowing 30 must stop through a double tightens over crest into late 4 left sharp watch, and the deceptive late 5 right minus sharp over crest, 30 late 6 left sharp, 30 crest 30 late 4 right over jump and tight 3 left over crest and right through the dip, 40 4 left plus short tightens 4 left minus tightens, right over jump okay, 30, right over crest jump 40, care 3 left minus over crest, and slow 3 tightens minus through the dip, and 3 left minus tightens don't, 30 stop crest, 20 left 6 right over crest opens, into late 6 left tightens minus opens, 50, long flat 1 right tightens over crest, 50, watch, tight 2 left and 4 right plus tightens neat, 50, late 4 left care tightens don't, into middle over crest and tight 3 plus through the dip, and flat 2 left opens 100 crest and big crest, care 33 plus short double tightens over crest round the bush, and flat 2 left 40, flat 1 left okay 180, early 2 left plus over crest 30 slowing slight right 40 late 3 left minus sharp neat, 30 slow 4 left minus tightens over big crest don't, and right times the 5 plus neat, 50 middle over flat crest jump and flat right 1 right through the dip and left over crest 32 right minus tightens and flat 2 left maybe 80 1 left through the dip 30 late 3 minus double tightens neat watch and tight 1 left over jump slowing danger 42 left over big crest jump into tight 2 left over big crest and right 40 middle over big crest jump okay 70 right over crest tightens the tight 4 minus sharp and early flat 3 left over crest opens 50 flat crest 50 flat crest 120 slight left and small flat crest and flat 1 right half long over crest 80 small flat crest and slide right over bump past the gate 80 slide left and flat crest and slide right slowing 150 very tight chicane right into the chicane and neat exit. Crest and flat 1 right 120 late 3 left plus sharp gravel and flat 1 open keeping over bump into flat 1 right nips over crest and flat crest and flat 1 left through the dip 50 crest and the tight 2 right don't into late 3 left minus half long tightens and 2 right nips over crest and flat 1 left and flat 1 right over crest 80 slowing crest 40 stop right over crest tightens at 3 short don't 20 late 5 left minus don't into right over crest tightens to late 3 minus tightens clip late into late 4 left plus half long double tightens into 3 right tightens on crest jump and 30 late 4 left 30 late 5 right tightens minus and left tightens to 5 half long tightens minus clip over crest 50 late hairpin right short neat 60 late tight 3 left and 3 minus tightens don't and flat 2 left 50 4 left short over crest and 2 right through the dip and watch 3 left minus double tightens don't over crest and 20 late 5 right minus and the turn late 5 left plus short 30 flat 1 right and slowing left over crest tightens the 2 for 60 tightens the 4 short into late 5 right camber 50 a slat late 5 left a slippy 90 late slow 3 left minus 20 4 right sharp tightens 50 3 left half long tightens the late 5 plus short over crest and flat 3 right nips 40 late tight 3 right 20 late 3 left minus half long and care 3 left minus tightens over crest 40 watch 2 left over crest the slow 3 left minus to the dip 40 slight left over flat crest 100 danger right over big crest the sudden 4 plus opens nips watch into care 4 left for 40 tightens minus sharp neats 30 flat 1 left over crest 30 3 right tightens keep in over crest and care 3 left opens half long times 5 plus sharp and 3 up minus tightens into flat crest 70 slight left and right and slight left 60 care deceptive late 4 right over crest very neat 50 late 3 left minus sharp over big crest jump and crest and 3 tightens into slight left over big crest tightens the 4 plus to the dip 20 slight left over crest tightens the 3 plus and flat crest and right and left over crest 40 watch early 2 left minus over big crest 30 flat 2 right maybe nips and left on crest and right tightens the 3 half long double tightens and flat 2 left over crest 50 stop left over crest and the sudden slat late 5 right minus half long tightens 6 don't into 4 left tightens 50 care 4 right tightens don't and crest and early 4 left plus for 50 tightens care tightens slippy 50 late flat 2 left 40 slight right over flat crest 40 left over crest tightens the 3 half long care tightens the tight 4 minus sharp over big crest and a very long 3 right tightens to the dip and flat crest and left over crest jump tightens the flat 2 gravel and watch 1 right for 50 and late 5 4 plus half long opens into late slow 5 left plus minus, 5 left minus. 50, flat 1 left over crest, don't, and flat 1 right 90, watch, late 3 left plus, short 40, left on crest, jump into flat 1 right minus, maybe, nips, 30, flat crest 120, slowing for left on crest 50, flat late 3 right short, narrows around the pole, and flat 2 left opens, 50 right ties early 5 over big crest, half long tightens, opens 100, right on flat crest 100, late flat 1 left in, slowing 90, unseen right into chicane on the crest 40, flat crest 40, flat crest and dip 80, flat crest and dip 120, dip into crest and late 1 left, half long tightens and care, big crest jump 50, late 2 right minus nips 10 minutes and 60, watch left over crest and slow 3 minus for 30, care double tightens over jump and tight right over crest and left into care, late 1 right minus sharp over crest jump 50, left on crest and long flat 1 right up through the dip 50, tight 3 left short and 2 right minus tightens over crest, opens through the finish, tightens 100.
What a fucking stage, man. Oh.